So now we'll explore why a lot of people feel lost and how meaning is often concealed in the challenge and suffering you are avoiding. And if you are interested in learning more about Carl Jung's authentic shadow integration method, you can join my newsletter down below. I'll send you a copy of my book Piscis, Demystifying Jung and Psychology. So now, let's get into it. So when I was younger, I remember that all I ever wanted was a peaceful existence. And in fact, if someone offered me to live in the woods and check out of society, I probably would have done it. No joke. So I didn't want to get involved with anything serious, and as soon as something required a bit of effort, I would give up and move on to the next thing. And on the surface, people thought I had it all figured out because I didn't want any trouble and was a mere seeker of inner peace, if you will. But underneath, I experienced this excruciating lack of meaning and constant restlessness, and I lived in a perpetual dreamlike mode, and nowadays people call it maladaptive daydreaming. So time was passing and I wasn't doing anything worthy. I didn't have any valuable skills and I had no idea why everything felt so dull and pointless. I know, classic Puer Aeternus. And at the time, I didn't know, but it turns out I was avoiding the responsibility of creating a life for myself and taking on real commitments. And a massive problem is that I interpreted any kind of effort as a testament that it was a wrong path or that it simply wasn't for me. And I lost great opportunities and relationships because I never took anything seriously enough. Now, fast forward to this year, 2025. It was the toughest year of my entire life, and paradoxically, it was also the most meaningful in every way. Unfortunately, I dealt with serious health conditions, trouble with housing, family problems, and a lot of people trying to destroy and even plagiarize my work. And at the same time, it was the most creative period of my entire life. I launched my physical book, Piscis, Demystifying Jung and Psychology. Now over 300 people have a copy in their homes, which is mind-blowing. I created several courses and had amazing success with my clients. And I am genuinely grateful for all the people who value my work. And I also experienced deeper and meaningful connections with the people I love. The truth is that God gave me this strength to persevere, and it became absolutely clear that experiencing meaning is in direct correlation with the amount of responsibility you are willing to accept. And I'm not talking about becoming everybody's savior, but accepting your sense of duty by having a true commitment to your craft, your family, and being in the service of something greater than yourself. When I was younger, I didn't realize I was living in a narcissistic headspace. But everything was about me, and I was constantly looking for comfort and immediate rewards. And when you're coming from this place, the only way out is learning how to enjoy pushing yourself and developing your talents to their fullest extent. And experiencing a lack of meaning is deeply painful. You can't deny that. But your suffering becomes meaningful the moment you start striving to be your best, sacrifice selfish needs to build a marriage, and you are devoted to a worthy cause. So meaning is concealed in the challenges and suffering you are avoiding. And I give you a step-by-step to start carving your own path and finding true meaning in the next video.